Madam Justice Berendiwala, Pushpa Berendiwala. She was a trainer in Judicial Academy, Maharashtra Judicial Academy. Once somebody is selected as a judicial magistrate first class in India Judicial Division, you have to go, undergo training, compulsory mandatory training, even for the district judges. Even after completing 5 years refresher courses and all other kinds of trainings of the judges of the Maharashtra state are conducted in MJA, Maharashtra Judicial Academy. So she was trainer there, she was a joint director. She started this prayer in that MJA. Since then, it has been now continued. So here also, somebody has started this tradition. Whosoever may be, but somebody has started, the trainer of this institution started. As I was introduced yesterday, that I was a trainer here for 4 years. I was imparting training to the public prosecutors of PAN Maharashtra, those who were appointed to MPSC. The compulsory training was there. This institution is devoted for their training also. Anyway, yesterday one question remained unanswered, that was ad hoc district judge. So, yesterday I was talking about district judges, DJ1, DJ2, these are the nomenclature. PDJ is not the judicial nomenclature, but it is an administrative nomenclature. Sessions judge, then additional session judge, then assistant session judge. Now you may have seen certain ad hoc district judge. Question is not going to be asked in the examination, just for the sake of your information and knowledge. Ad hoc is a ad hoc is nothing but stop gap arrangement. Stop gap arrangement means what? The 13th Finance Commission had provided fund to the judiciary to make an arrangement so that enough strength of judges is made available for disposal of the cases, particularly serious cases which are exclusively triable by the Sessions Court. And therefore, these posts were then created. So those who were civil judge senior division, they were appointed as an ad hoc district judge. Ad hoc. So ad hoc is a temporary post. CJ, SD, sometime appointed as ad hoc. Then regular district judge, it is called regular district judge and ad hoc. Once the tenure of the ad hoc judge is over, perhaps he may be repatriated to civil judge senior division cadre. As I told you yesterday that CJ, JD, one cadre, second cadre and third. Only 3 cadres are there in civil judge junior division, senior division and the district. 3 cadres all over the Maharashtra. Earlier one cadre was there, independent. But in view of the judgment of the Honorable Supreme Court and in view of the Shetty Commission recommendation, this cadre is now abolished. Civil judge senior division are usually posted as a there is no separate recruitment for the post of Metropolitan Magistrate now. Earlier were this facility, and therefore some of them are still working as a High Court judge. They were appointed as a Metropolitan Magistrate, then immediately they became district judge and then High Court judge. Now one cannot directly become Metropolitan Magistrate. One has to first become Junior Division. CJ, one cannot directly become CJJD. It is purely a promotional post. Like in police, PI is promotional post. One cannot directly become police inspector. No. Now he is given the powers of the district judge. All the powers of the district judge are vested to ad hoc district judge. All the powers of the district judge are conferred upon or vested to ad hoc district. On the point, yesterday's quick recapitulation that IPC drafted by Lord, this is also important. How many sections? 511. How many chapters? 23 chapters. Good. Then a certain definition, background. I inform you about the judicial system, CJJD, CJSD, district judge, then High Court judge, Supreme Court, then here criminal side, JMFC, CJM and Sessions Court. So in that Sessions Court also, assistant session judge, additional session judge, only one sessions judge. There is no nomenclature principal session judge. There is no nomenclature like principal session. So Madam Guarani's father, head of district judge or district judge? Regular. I know. So regular earlier head of district judge, then district judge. Somebody may not become head of district judge directly. Head of district judge directly. CJJD can become. So definition: man means a man, woman means woman of any age. Then wrongful gain and wrongful loss. Wrongful gain means unlawful means to which he is not entitled, and wrongful loss means he is entitled. Correct, absolutely correct. Property is very important, gaining is important, and unlawful. Three important words: gaining, number one, property, and unlawful by unlawful. If it is a case of lawful means, then it is not unlawful gain or unlawful loss. Then dishonesty. Dishonesty means what? A person who is not honest is called dishonest. Actually, but what IPC says, a person who does this or who causes wrongful loss or wrongful gain, wrongful loss or with an intention to one. Now his intention, that my intention is that this madam should suffer wrongful loss and that madam should suffer wrongful gain. My intention is this lady should gain something unlawfully and that lady should lose. Gainer, loser. My intention is dishonest intention with a view to deceive. Deceive is very important. Defraud, deceiving. It is called dishonest. Public means public what? Any member of public or community. This question was asked. Public means any member of public or community. Community is also public. Public servant, section 21. Public servant means long definition. Long definition. A person who discharges duty for public, person who discharges duties for public good, may be paid from the consolidated salary of India. Public servant, long definition. You see. Now coming to the very important definitions. Document. What is the definition? Document. What is that document? What we see, paper, is called a document. What we paper, what we ordinarily what we आप पेन काही बरोबर नाही आहे ना ठीक आहे रेड वापरून document means what we see ordinarily, what we see in the form of paper is called document, but in fact now see the definition of document. Document is defined in the Indian Penal Code, so also in Evidence Act. Evidence Act also provides the definition of document. Likewise, IPC also provides the definition of document. Number one, any matter written upon any substance, any matter, anything, any matter written upon, not on, but upon any substance. Any substance means this is also substance. It is a word from physics, substance. Matter is also word from physics. Any matter written upon any substance by means of letters, figures or marks, or any of them or all of them. Any matter written upon any substance by means of letters, figures or marks or all of them is called a document. You got it? Now see, any matter, Judicial Officers Training Institute Nagpur, that strip is a matter, and letters written upon that substance, therefore that is also a document. See, one person, now he is in the agricultural field. All of a sudden a snake bites to him. So now he is going to die. He wants to bequeath his property to one son. What he will do? He has done, what he has done, he has written that after my death, my property shall devolve upon my son A, not to my son B. Is this a will?
The property owned by father or the property that is
Any his own property, father no. Whether it is a document, it is a document. Now see the definition of document. If you had seen old movies, what used to happen, that hero, particularly hero's father, brother or sister is injured or assaulted by goons, and he is at such a stage that he is likely to die. Ordinarily seen in Hindi movies. रक्तानी भरलेले कपडे, पडलेला आहे, डोकं भरलेलं आहे, त्यावेळेस हिरो येतो. पिताजी हे किसने किया? मग तो म्हणजे मला असा करतो काहीतरी आणि मग तो मरून जातो बाय. नाहीतर कधी कधी मग तो मरणारा काय करतो, लिहितो. मग तो बोलू शकत नाही, मग असा काहीतरी लिहितो. रक्ताने लिहितो, बाय मीन्स ऑफ ब्लड. आणि मग तो लिहितो शाकाल. आणि मग तो बघतो शाकाल, मैं तुम्हारा खून पी जाऊंगा, असा वगैरे सीन असते नाही का. आज से मेरी जिंदगी का मकसद होगा कि शाकाल की मौत. That is a document. That is a document. Whether it is admissible legally, now you have to see. It is a document. Now this document will have to be proved. When you go on highway, beside highway you see milestone or stone disclosing or showing kilometers. You go on that Amravati road, you will see Amravati 150 kilometer. You go further 5 kilometers, still it will show 150 kilometer PWD stone. I have seen. Even you go further, move ahead for 2 kilometers, still the distance will be the same sometimes. So it is a document. Encryption on metal plate is a document. Map is a document. Caricature is a document. These are the illustrations given in or underneath of the definition of the document in the Indian Evidence Act. Encryption. Now you are having a vehicle number MS31 BB 123. It is also a document within the meaning of the Indian Evidence Act. So also within the meaning of the, so all these are letter and figure. The examples which I have given, letters and figures, sometimes marks. See, the scene is like this is mobile, and here is a, what do you understand? use of mobile is prohibited. Is anything written? No use of mobile. So anything written upon any substance by letter, figures or marks, here only marks, still it conveys certain meaning. It is also a document. Sometimes urinal, in order to go washroom, there will be sign of woman and arrow to right side. Who are supposed to go? There is nothing mentioned that men are not allowed. But it gives meaning that only women are allowed to enter into by means of marks. It is a document. So a document can be prepared not by writing only figures or the words, but can also be through a mark. It is called a document. Now see, everything whereon something is written, whereupon something is written is called a document. Our old traditional concept of only papers, sale deed, gift deed, registration, they are the only document. It is not incorrect. Now expand your definition. Got it? Document. It is provided in section 29 of the IPC. Then moving further, from the definition of document is important in view of the examination also. It is useful in the paper of Evidence Act as well as the IPC. Illustrations are also given. Here also something is written on check is a document. Caricature is a document. IPC also gives certain illustrations. Why not these illustrations are given? What I believe that the Britishers were aware that Indian people will not understand this English, and therefore to make them understand they have given illustrations. Otherwise, what is the logic? Because in those days we were not learning English. So illustration is not a part of statute. They are just explanatory. When illustration goes contrary to the substantive section, then what shall prevail? Section. Section shall prevail, not the illustration. Sometimes heading of section, particularly murder, then section starts. Murder is a heading of that section. Sometimes heading goes contrary to the content of the section, then what shall prevail? Content of the section. Sometimes heading may head of section that may say something different. It happens. In Indian Evidence Act, also I have identified certain section where the meaning was conveying something substantive and the section was saying something different. So whenever there is such a contradiction, only section shall prevail, not the heading, not the side notes. Side margin notes are also there in statute. If you see in the government printing, in the books which are printed by the government, you will notice there are side margin notes. They are also part of the statute, but they shall not prevail. What shall prevail? The section. Then we come across certain section 34 IPC. Common intention. It is called a common intention. This is important from examination point of view. Common intention. Then abatement. Then conspiracy. Abatement. What is section? Huh? No. Abatement section IPC 304. IPC 304 is a murder. Murder means culpable homicide, not a motive murder. 304A, B. Abatement, if somebody abets commission of a crime, which section shall be invoked? Huh? 107 or 8 or 9? 7, 8, 9. Now see, 34, sometimes these are not the principal or substantive sections of the IPC. They are applied only under certain circumstances. If, now I will give you illustration. If A commits an offense, illustration, Hindi movie illustration. Shakal's son, Shakal is the offender. Sunny Deol is the hero. He had already taken oath. Shakal, मैं तुम्हारा खून पी जाऊंगा. Now he alone goes to the house of bungalow of Shakal. Shakal कमीने बाहर निकल, मैं तुम्हारा खून पी जाऊंगा. असं तो म्हणतो कोण? सनी देओल. मग तो हिरो, तो विलन येतो. टाकला बिकला किंवा काही चांगली स्टोरी आहे का तो म्हणजे कालिया धोलिया सब सगळे छुट्टीचा दिवस संडे अकेला मिलता कोण ये शाखा. फिर सनी देओल क्या करेगा, उसको फाइट मारे. एक बुक्की मार ली, दूसरी मार ली. व्हाट सेक्शन? Sunny Deol has entered into the house of Shakal. Which section? Section? It is 57. Criminal trespass. Criminal trespassing section 447. Criminal trespassing 448. Criminal trespassing. What is the meaning of criminal trespassing? See, I am giving only one example in which there is a combination of several sections. We shall be learning so many sections from one example. Sunny Deol has now entered into the house of Shakal. Shakal कमीने कुत्ते पण म्हणतात कधी कधी, बरोबर? मी नाही म्हणत बा, I am borrowing the word from that hero. कमीने कुत्ते बाहर निकल, मैं तुम्हारा खून पी जाऊंगा. खून पितात आपल्याला माहित नाही ते, ते म्हणतात खून पी जाऊंगा. मग तो हिरो, तो गुंडा येतो, तेव्हा आपल्या गुंड्यांना बोलवतो, हे बी राहत नाही. मग हा जातो आणि फाईट मारतो पहिले. इट इज सेक्शन 323. सेक्शन किती झाला? इलुस्ट्रेशन लक्षात ठेवा, कारण याच्यात फरक पण विचारतो. मारली झापड 323. केस जरी ओढले तरी, कारण शब्द काय आहे तिथे? हर्ट. HURT, hurt. Injury means physical, it can be mental injury. Mental injury is also there. It is recognized by the IPC. Injury includes physical as well as mental. 323. No weapon, only physical assault. एक मारली 323. Before that 323 काय झाला? He has entered into the house of that Shakal. Criminal trespass. 440. आता बघा, पुन्हा मी तुम्हाला सांगतो.
41, 42.
Section 447, 48 criminal trespassing. Now little bit, a slightest act makes certain changes in section. Slightest act. Act means this act, small act. Act includes series of acts. Definition is there in IPC. Act means one series of acts. Act means one series of acts. So he has entered into the house of that Shakal with a view to commit cognizable offense. Then he has beaten him also, which is why simpliciter 47 will not be applicable. That will be applicable if you have IPC book. Kindly see for 47, what is that? Simpliciter criminal trespassing. But here now move ahead and section 452. 452 see.
House trespass after preparation for hurt, assault or
Now what under which section is that will come? Because he has committed criminal house trespassing. What? Therefore, I am repeating, he has entered into his bungalow house. And when 447 will be applicable? If it is a land, simpliciter land, agricultural land, open land, and if it is only yard area, he has not entered into house of shakal, outside area, criminal trespassing. But the moment he enters into house, it becomes section. See the difference? That is more grave, serious section. For 47 is lesser serious section. Now, one first offense he commits is 452. House trespassing with a view to commit preparation, commit cognizable offense 452. Then fighting 3 section 323. 323. Voluntarily causing hurt. It is called hurt. Given slap, given one fighting. Now how many sections? 1, 452, 323 non-cognizable. 323 because he has beaten, assaulted. Then कमीने तुम्हारा खून पी जाऊंगा. What is it? Criminal intimidation 506. Criminal intimidation 506. Then again he has slapped or beaten, given big blow. दांत गिर गए. Now
Previous 326. 326.
which section?
326.
Now see, these are certain sections 323, 324, 325, 326. 100% questions will be asked from these sections. Simply sitter slapping, giving blow 323. Now here is something more serious. That Sunny Deol has stick in his hand. Now he has given blow through that stick by means of a weapon. Then 320. Now for a moment forget that example of his teeth are uprooted. Forget that example. Sunny Deol now has entered into the house of that Amrish Puri, given one big blow, simpliciter 323. But Sunny Deol not only give that big blow, but he found one something in the house of that Amrish Puri. Amrish Puriच्या घरात जेव्हा जातो, विलनचं घर म्हटलं तर काय काय राहते त्याच्यात? बंदुका राहते, बरोबर आहे. आणखी तलवार राहील, काही मूर्त्या राहील. त्यांनी धरली मूर्ती ते अमृत पुरीला फेकून मारली. आता सेक्शन काय होईल? 24 weapon is used. 323 without weapon. 24 किंवा voluntarily causing hurt by means of instrument. Instrument, heated substance. Instrument पाहिजे. Instrument असेल तर 323. हर्ट काय आहे? हर्ट आहे फक्त. हर्ट आहे. रिव्हर्स हर्ट नाही आहे. फक्त हर्ट आहे. मारलं, लागलं त्याला थोडंसं. कोणतं लागलं सेक्शन मग? 324 ला. आता 325 केव्हा लागते? हे आहे ना, याचा रिलेशन बघा. 300 ते सनी देओलनी जोराची बुक्की मारली, त्याचे दात पडले. दात पडले कोणाचे? अमृत पुरीचे. कोणतं सेक्शन लागल? ग्रीवियस हर्ट. What do you mean by grievous hurt? It is defined. See that section 320 onwards, definition. Section 320 onwards, hurt is defined. Then grievous hurt is defined. Grievous hurt means dislocation, fracture, then uprooting teeth, then or any kind of hurt or injury for which permanent disfiguration or any kind of injury for which 20 days are required for healing period. 20 days. It is called what kind of hurt? Grievous hurt. What kind of hurt? Grievous hurt. Very important. Grievous hurt. In section 323, only hurt. Hurt means not medical officer need not be examined. Simply sitter one slap amounts to hurt. Simply sitter one blow amounts to hurt. Section 323. But by that slap or blow, teeth are uprooted. Then which section? 325 talks about grievous hurt. See, simple झापड मारल्याने फक्त हर्ट झाली, बाकी काही झालं नाही 323. मात्र दात पडला, काही फ्रॅक्चर झालं किंवा अशी इंजुरी झाली ज्याला 20 दिवस लागतात हिलिंग होण्यासाठी, त्याला होतात 350. म्हणजे इट इज लाईक अ बिग ब्रदर ऑफ 323. नाव 324 वेन सनी देओलने काय केलं, मूर्ती घेतली, फेकून मारली, इन्स्ट्रुमेंट इज यूज, फक्त हर्ट झाली तर 323. मात्र त्या इन्स्ट्रुमेंटनी त्याचं डोकं फुटलं आणि तो भरती झाला आणि 20 दिवस तो दवाखान्यातच राहिला, मग काय होईल? 326 इज द बिग ब्रदर ऑफ. I am using these words, big brothers, for the sake of understanding. Law does not provide such words. 323, you got? When simpliciter hurt without instrument. 324, by means of instrument. 325, grievous hurt without instrument. 326. Now sometimes, if the hurt is very grievous in nature, it depends. 307 may be applied. It depends the intention. 326 means grievous hurt. Now take another example. एक व्यक्ती काय करतो, कुऱ्हाड घेतो, कुऱ्हाड हातामध्ये घेतो आणि त्याला मारतो. मारला कुठे? तिकडे मारलं त्याला, त्याचा फ्रॅक्चर झाला. कोणतं सेक्शन लागेल? 326. ग्रीव्हस हर्ट बाय मीन्स ऑफ इन्स्ट्रुमेंट पीपल. मात्र तो डोक्यावर मारतो. आता मर्डर आहे का? He knows if I blow on vital part of the body, death is likely to cause. Then, so thin line difference is there. Entire depends on the intention, and therefore it is also given in the acts of the police. They may sometimes apply 326, sometimes 307. So it happens. And such things also happen in case of murder also. See, driving a vehicle negligently, and because of that driving, one person dies. Which section? 304A. All sections which I am talking about are triable by the magistrate. 304A, 2 years punishment. Though IPC has been repealed, still it is in force. Are you aware? 304A. So if somebody dies because of an accident, then 304A simpliciter available. The police will arrest or sometimes may not arrest, produce him before the magistrate. Magistrate will immediately release. They will not take him into judicial custody and will not send him to jail. 304A. But sometimes it happens. Now it has become the modus operandi of the criminals to finish, to cause death by means of vehicle. Now, one person dies because of the accident, the driver is booked, section 304 is invoked, bailable offense, no, not severe, triable by judgment. But after 2-3 days, somebody says, sir, no, while crossing through that road, I had seen this person, driver and that victim, I saw them quarreling. झगडा होताना त्याचा मी बघितला होता अर्धा तासाच्या पूर्वी. साधारण 9ची वेळ होती सकाळची आणि ही घटना आहे 10ची. आता काय? आता इंटेन्शन आपल्याला दिसत आहे ना. आता इमिजिएटली सेक्शन बदलेल. कोणतं लागेल? 304च्या ऐवजी काय लागायला पाहिजे? 302 इंटेन्शन. असा पुरावा आला. आता काय होईल? 302. पहिले कोणतं होतं? डेथ बाय negligence is 304A. But intentionally, 30 driver doctor आहे, he is providing treatment to patient. मात्र तो अशा पद्धतीने औषधी देत आहे, स्लो पॉइझनिंग सारखी. हळूहळू एक दिवस हा 1.5 महिन्यानंतर मरेल. सेक्शन 304 लागल की 302 लागल? डॉक्टर knows if I continue this drug intentionally. अशा केसेस झालेल्या नागपुरातच झाली. एका डॉक्टरने काय केलं, आपल्या बायकोलाच औषधी देत होता नेहमी तो, जेणेकरून ती मरण पावली पाहिजे. आणि ती मरण पावली एक दिवस. नंतर मग पीएम मध्ये लक्षात आलं की यांनी हे ड्रग्स तिला दिला होता, and therefore he was booked under section 302 of the act. Initially it was not under section 302, but her relatives raised objection, pointed out that he was giving drugs, and therefore 302 was how? Drunk and driving? लग सकता है, लग सकता है, लगाया भी है। रॉबर्ट परेरा केस, सलमान खान केस, पहले तो 304 ही लगाएंगे, जब तक ह्यू एंड क्राई नहीं होगा तब तक वो नहीं लगाएंगे। वो मरने वाला की स्टेटस का है और ड्राइविंग चलाने वाला कौन सा है उसके ऊपर है। सिंपली सीटर सरदार जी है, ड्राइविंग वाले पंजाब वाले कोई मर गया 304A, मरने वाला भी बहुत पैसे वाला है और मारने वाला भी बहुत पैसे वाला है, फिर अलग सेक्शन लगता है, ऐसा मैंने देखा है। पोर्शे केस, पुणे पोर्शे केस, मरने वाला छोटा होगा लेकिन मारने वाला बड़ा है तो भी प्रॉब्लम है। मरने वाला छोटा है लेकिन मारने वाला सलमान खान की केस, परेरा केस, रॉबर्ट परेरा केस, these are certain classic examples wherein 304A was not invoked but 302, 304A was invoked because there is a knowledge. When you are drinking liquor and under the influence of liquor you are driving the vehicle, you are aware that my driving will kill someone, may cause damage to someone, may take life of someone. In that case, it is a case of murder. Knowledge. You may not have intention all the time, but knowledge, you have knowledge. Intention may not, but knowledge. Therefore, there will be different. Therefore, section 304 also is there. Not 302, 304, 304A, 304B. These are certain serious sections. Now, coming to the example of that Sunny Deol, how many sections he has under which he has committed offences? Now he has initially he gave one blow to Amrish Puri, section 323. Prior to that, he entered illegally with a view to commit the cognizable offence, with preparation to commit cognizable offence. 354, 323. Then he picked up a murti, iron. किंवा काहीतरी वाघाची मूर्ती किंवा अशी धरून फेकून मारली त्या अमृतपुरीला, लागलं 300 लागलं, फक्त सिंपल अर्थ आहे 324 झालं. आणि मग तो काय करतो, मग त्याला मारतो, फाईट मारतो. कधी कधी अशा गायला कसा पता कमीने वो कब्जा कहा रखी हमारी जमीन की, जिसके बलबूते पर तू हमको ब्लॅकमेल कर रहा था, डरा रहा था. तो म्हणते बताता हूँ मत मार, असं होते ना. आणि मग तो वो अलमारी में रखे. मग तो हिरो आपले कागद घेतो आणि फिर कुठली तरी एक अदालत चालूच राहते. तमाम गवाहों के मध्य नजर रखते हुए ये अदालत इस नतीजे पे पहुंचेगी. तेव्हा हिरो का ठहरो जज साहब, फैसला सुनाने से पहले इस दस्तावेजों पे गौर फरमाए, असं म्हणतो ना. आणि मग तो जज बघतो आणि त्याचा फैसला मग बदलून जातो. समजलं ना. दस्तावेज म्हणजे डॉक्युमेंट. Now, how many sections he has committed? He has violated, or under which he has committed the offence. Now, we want to file a charge sheet against him. Section 354, 323, 323, 324. Then 506 criminal intimidation. 506, 504. 504 is also applicable. Yes, breach of peace he has committed. So, hurt 323, hurt by means of instrument 324, grievous hurt, simplicity of grievous hurt 325, and grievous hurt by means of instrument then, and 307 intent attempt to murder with an intention to commit the murder. Injury, in view of the injury. And C, very important. In order to invoke section 307, even injury is not necessary. If I have a gun, मला वाटलं की जास्तच बोलत आहे, काय करणार, तिथे ती हुशार ट्रेनिंग घेतलेली आहे, ती अशी केली, गोळी कुठे गेली, इकडे गेली, 307 लागेल की नाही. इंजुरी आहे का, क्लासिक एक्झाम्पल. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो इम्पॉर्टंट that injury is not sine qua non for section or to invoke section 306. इंजुरी काहीही जरुरी नाही 307 लावण्यासाठी. समजलं? इंजुरी काही मॅन्डेटरी नाही. उदाहरण हेच लक्षात ठेवा. गोळी मारायला हुकली मात्र तरी 307 लागायला पाहिजे. म्हणून पोलिसांच्या हातात हे हत्यार असते. पोलिसावर तुम्ही गोळी मारा 307 लागा. पोलिसाला तुम्ही हे 326 करा तुम्हाला 307 मध्येच टाका. 326 जेएमएफसी 307 सेशन्स कोर्ट बेल 1 महिना झाला तो अंदर 326 मध्ये जेएमएफसी देऊन देईल किंवा सेशन्स कोर्ट तरी इझिली देईल. समटाइम्स it is depend upon the facts and circumstances, the intention, the category of the person, etc. Who is injured, that is also equally important. Now Sunny Deol has come and has committed this offense. Now Sunny Deol not only, now take another example, same thing has happened, same father, same Shakal, same Amrish Puri, but Sunny Deol has one brother, Bobby Deol. Both have come and same action. भैया तुम इसको पकड़ो, मैं इधर से होता वो उधर से होता. अमरीश पुरी इकडून जायला गेला तर सनी देओल आला, तिकडून धावायला गेला तर बॉबी देओल आला. दोघांनी धरला, दोघांनी मारला. कोणतं सेक्शन लागला आता? 32 कॉमन इंटेन्शन. If any person commits any act in furtherance of their common intention, in furtherance of common intention, very these are the words heart of that section. In furtherance of common intention, then common intention of all, then each of them shall be as responsible as if act is done by alone. दोघांचं इंटेन्शन काय आहे? बॉबी देओलचा, सनी देओलचा, अमरीश पुरीला मारणे. मग आता कोणतं सेक्शन लागेल? They have common intention, which is why section 34. When 34 is applied, when there are persons, how many? More person than one. More person than one. 2 person commits, then 34 common intention. Now here, abatement when? Now, Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, 2 commits the same crime having common intention, section 34. Now Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol have mother. Mother is saying to these 2 sons, बच्चों तुम्हारे बाबूजी के साथ ऐसा किया है, हाँ तुम्हारे रगों में भी आज उनका खून दौड़ रहा है, तुम ऐसे ही हो क्या? तुम्हारे बाबूजी तो ऐसा करते थे, शेरों के साथ लड़ाई करते थे, जंगल में अकेले जाते थे, और तुम कैसे निकले थे? दरिद्र जैसे ऐसे दूसरे भी शब्द रहते, निकल में लड़ी. त्यांना काय वाटलं? खून बहुत जाएगा, तुम्हारे रगों में खून नहीं पानी है, तुम तो ऐसी निकम्मी औलादे हैं, कुछ नहीं करते. ऐसा मत बोल माँ, मैं भी वैसा हूँ, ऐसा करके दोनों भी भड़क गए. फिर दोनों भी गए. वो उनकी माँ क्या कह रही है? जाओ बेटा, मैं हूँ, कुछ होगा तो मैं देख लेती हूँ. मेरी भी बहन वकील है, बड़ा भाई भी वकील है हाईकोर्ट में, तुम जाओ मैं देख लेती हूँ. दोनों भी गए, दोनों ने एक आइन किया. Now this section, abatement. See the difference. Abatement. She has abated the crime. The presence on the spot, not missed. And उन्होंने क्या कहा था? मदर से तुम्हारे बाबूजी को इन्होंने खत्म किया, तुमने कुछ भी नहीं किया, तुम निकम्मे हो, ऐसा है वैसा है, तुम जाओ कुछ तो भी बदला लो, only बदला लो. She did not intend to commit murder of that Amrish Puri. She did not intend to commit murder of that Amrish Puri. Still, she shall be equally responsible as if she had intention to commit murder of section 106, 7, 8, 9, 10. I am summing up. Even if she says something and the offender on the spot does something different, it happens. एखादी मुलगी आहे, त्या मुलीला त्रास देतो मुलगा कॉलेजचा, तर तो काय करेल, मुलीच्या आई वडील किंवा मुलाचा भाऊ काय म्हणेल, जा त्याचे थोडेसे हातपाय तोड, नाही त्याला थोडस धमकाव, असं करू नको, त्याला थोडं समजाव. हा म्हणते बराबर हम समजा देंगे अपनी भाषा में. त्याला वाटलं हा हिंदी बोलते तर हिंदी समजावं. हा गेला की बे तू ऐसा क्यों कर रहा है, चढ गया क्या, त्याला 2-4 लावून दिल्या, केस झाली. कुणी सांगितलं त्याला हे करायला, मुलीच्या भावानी किंवा आई वडिलांनी. आता सेक्शन लागेल की नाही अबॅटमेंटचं. तो देअर इंटेन्शन वॉज टू गिव्ह हिम अंडरस्टँडिंग. त्यांना काय वाटतं याला समजून सांग, मात्र यांनी काय केलं, बता के आओ बोले तर ये लगा के आगे, सांगून या म्हणतात त्याला, लावून येते असं म्हणतात ना मराठी. कसं करून आला तरी हे सेक्शन लागेल की नाही लागेल. 120B. 120B talks about criminal conspiracy. In order, criminal conspiracy is nothing but, yesterday I was talking about, all agreements are not contract but all contracts are agreement. All agreements are not contract but all contracts are agreement. Why? All contracts must have certain fulfillment of legal requirement. One should be of 18 years old, free consent, meeting of mind, consensus addendum. Thereafter only, and which is enforceable by law. It is a contract. Agreement. See, A and B friends. एक मुलगा मुलगी आहे, लव अफेअर आहे, तो मुलगा म्हणतो कल जाएंगे धुरंधर 2 देखने को. अग्रीमेंट. तो आलाच नाही दुसऱ्या दिवशी, तो दुसरी सोबत गेला होता. हा आलाच नाही. आणि मग तिसऱ्या दिवशी समजलं he has committed breach of promise because he had promised to come on next day to see a movie. Breach of promise. आणि पुन्हा तिला समजलं की कोणासोबत गेला, तिसऱ्या मुलीसोबत गेला. पुन्हा काय झालं त्याच्यात, ब्रेकअप हार्ट, ब्रीच ऑफ प्रॉमिस अँड ब्रेकअप. तिचं दिल वगैरे असं होते ना ते काही, तर ते झालं, दोन्ही झाले. वेदर शी कॅन फाईल अ सूट. It is not a contract but it is a agreement. Agreement may be illegal. Contract must be legal. Here is the word employed. There is an agreement. Therefore it is called an agreement. Agreement of commission of crime. There is a meeting of mind of the offenders. Now here is the given example of that Sunny Deol. See, all examples only दिले गेलेले उदाहरण फक्त समजून सांगण्याच्या उद्देशाने आहे. याच्या मागे कोणत्याही हिरोची बदनामी करणे किंवा हिरोच्या आई बाबाची बदनामी करणे हा माझा हेतू नाही. ठीक आहे. उदाहरणार्थ फक्त माझा आय हॅव कॉपीराईट, माझी उदाहरणं मी वापरेन. हा, तुम्ही रेकॉर्ड वगैरे करतात ना, मग उद्या जो धर्मेंद्र आहे त्याला लागायचं, आपली नावं घेतली आणि बदनामी केली, हा मागचा हेतू नाही. इट इज दीज देअर नेम्स आर टेकन ओनली फॉर अकॅडमिक पर्पज. Now, this Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, their mother has instigated them, which is why she is booked under section 106, 109, abatement to commit offense. But after instigation, what happens? This Sunny Deol and Bobby Deol, they sat together. They thought Amrish Puri is nowadays a very powerful villain. It will not be possible for us. उसके पास बहुत गुंडे भी रहते हैं. Let us engage another top fighter, Akshay Kumar. So they invite Akshay Kumar, and Akshay Kumar, Bobby Deol, Sunny Deol, they sat together and they prepared a plan. Amrish Puri तो बाहर होता है, तो उसके यहाँ जाना उतना मेरे को छलांग लगानी पड़ेगी, उतना मेरे को कूदना पड़ेगा, उसका 2-2 लाख अलग से लगेगा. नाउ ओके बोलते मैं देता हूँ 2 लाख 3 लाख, और मेरे साथ एक और को भी साथ में लेना पड़ेगा मुझे. अजय भी जरूरी है. अजय इज इन द पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट. आई विल हैव टू मॅनेज द पुलिस ऑल्सो. सिंगम बघा किती लोकांचे रोल आहे. आता बघा समझ ना? तो फोन करतो अक्षय कुणाला अजयला, देखो मैं ऐसा ऐसा करने जा रहा हूँ, थोड़ा ध्यान रखना, तुम्हारे पुलिस स्टेशन में आ रहा है ये मामला. ठीक है बोलते, तुम देख लो मैं देख लेता, देख लो मैं देख लेता, ऐसा बोलते. That Ajay is aware that the three persons are going, committing an offence there. Thereafter, still he does not prevent them. Now it is a clear case of criminal conspiracy, meeting of mind of more than one person. In this given single example, how many sections are involved? Section 34 when there are more than one person. Abatement when somebody investigates. Then criminal conspiracy when they design the criminal conspiracy. It is not a conspiracy, but it is a criminal conspiracy. Criminal conspiracy which is given effect. Criminal conspiracy, simply sit or without effect, is not an offense. Is not an offense. Criminal of conspiracy. Thinking about something. मला असं वाटते की हा जरा जास्तच किंवा ही जरा जास्तच बोलते. मला नेहमी माझी शेजारी राहते, तिला खूप मारावं, इकडून मारावं, तिकडून खूप वाटते आतमध्ये. इज इट एन ऑफेन्स? मग तुम्हाला वाटलं तर काही चुकीचं नाही. इट इज एन ऑफेन्स. मात्र तुम्हाला खूप वाटत आहे मला हिला दोन झापड मारावं, किंवा ह्या मास्तरला दोन मारावं, किंवा त्या सामनेवाल्या वकिलाला दोन मारावं, तर नेहमी खोटा बोलून ऍडजस्टमेंट घेते. खोटा बोलून ऍडजस्टमेंट घेतो. असं तुम्हाला वाटतं एक तरी द्यायला पाहिजे त्यांना, असं वाटत आहे मनातून. इज इट एन ऑफेन्स? पण तुम्ही खरोखरच मारला. मग क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरसी केली तुम्ही दोन महिला मिळाल्या की नाही, हा वकील आणि सामनेवाला डीबीच्या केस मधला हसबंड कडचा नेहमी तारखा घेतली. तुम्ही आणि तुमची क्लायंट दोघींनी ठरवलं त्याला एक दिवस आपण धमकी देऊ, तू फक्त एक मी येतो बरोबर. दोघींनी प्लॅनिंग केला, फक्त प्लॅनिंगच आहे. इज इट एन ऑफेन्स? नो. मात्र दोघींनी खरोखरच कोर्टाच्या बाहेर पक्षकारीन बाईने धरलं वकील साहेबांना, कॉलर पकडले. दरवेळेस तारीख घेते, मग ते सुरू झाली फाईट. मग वकीलीन बाई वाटच पाहतो, ती जुनं होतच तिने दोन दिला. सेक्शन कोणतं लागेल बघा? 34 लागेल, बरोबर आहे. क्रिमिनल कॉन्स्पिरसी पण केली आहे. मीटिंग ऑफ माइंड असेल तर ती लागेल. आणि ह्या दोघींनाही काय म्हटलं, एक बाहेरचा मोठा पदाधिकारी होता, तो वकील जरा पहिले मागच्या वेळेस इलेक्शन मध्ये मला त्यानं त्रास दिलाच होता, तुम्ही करून घ्या, तुमची बिल तर मी पाहतो. कोणतं सेक्शन लागेल? त्यांनी अभी तुम्ही म्हणलो ना, भाई तुमको देख लो, तुम्हारे क्लाइंट है ना मारने वाली, देख लो, बेल का मैं देख लेता, मैं संभाल लेता. आता अबेटमेंट झाली ना, अबेटमेंट and criminal conspiracy. There can be question in the form of what are the differences between common intention, abatement and the criminal conspiracy. You got the point? One more addition is there, one phraseology, one typical word is used is unlawful assembly. There is no common intention but common object. And I am 100% sure from today's topic there will be certain questions. Common object. Here is a common intention, whereas there is common object. Section
144.
तुम्ही म्हणाल ते मी लिहितोय, वन म्हणाल वन नाही म्हणत नाही. 149 काय आहे बसा, हेडिंग बसा. एव्हरी मेंबर ऑफ अनलॉफुल असेंब्ली शॅल बी लायबल. एव्हरी definition कुठे आहे? Unlawful assembly means how many persons required? 5 persons. Now, while committing in the given example, Sunny Deol, Bobby Deol, Akshay, Ajay, one abatement, criminal conspiracy. Now, what has happened? This Sunny Deol knew, Bobby Deol not useful. So, in fact, he brought Ranga, Billa, and other tiny goons, तकले टुकले नहीं गए, 5-6 लोग लेके गए अकेला along with 5 persons. Now section 141 is the definition. If it is a case of riot, instrument, then different sections are there. Lawful assembly by means of weapons are there. Then 149 says every member of that society, unlawful assembly shall be liable. Every member. Here intention is necessary. There is no intention. आता बघा ह्या उदाहरणामध्ये मी सांगतो तुम्हाला कॉमन ऑब्जेक्टचं उदाहरण. सनी देओलनी काय केलं, बॉबी देओलला स्किप केला. त्याला वाटलं की हा अनफिट आहे, आता काही फक्त थोडंफार नाचतो, बाकी काही फायटिंग विटिंग जमत नाही. अक्षय जास्त सुड्या मारतो, चला. मग याने काय केलं, रंगा बिल्ला अमुक तमुक 4 जण घेतले आणि सोबत असायला पण चल रे साहब मैं भी आता हूँ, चलो आधी इधर जाओ आधी उधर जाओ. त्याने तेवढं काम केलं, त्याला काही माहित नाही. तो आहे आणि असरानी 6वा आहे आणि तिथे झाली फायटिंग, मारलं. असरानी तिथे हजर आहे. आता what section 149 says every member of that unlawful assembly shall be responsible. Simpliciter, his presence on the spot makes him guilty. Simpliciter, his presence on the spot makes him an offender under the provisions of this unlawful assembly. Irrespective of the fact he may have intention, may not have intention, simpliciter presence is necessary. He will not have depends. No, he was simpliciter present, watching as to in what manner that Sunny Deol fights, in what manner he gave blow to that Amrish Puri. I just wanted to see in reality. I had seen Sunny Deol while fighting in movies, but I wanted to see in reality, which is why I had been there. This defense is not permissible. Mere presence. How many persons? 5. Here, how many persons? 34.
More than one.
More than one. More than 2 is not the problem. More than 1. If alone commit the offence, there will not be application of this section 32, this section and common object. Here how many persons abatement? Abater can be I will sum up with one example. One person was picked up from Maharashtra and he was taken to Andhra Pradesh. There he was taken into custody and he died during the custody. It is a case of custodial death. So those who had taken him, those who had beaten him, they were booked under section 302 CID case. Because in custodial cases CID investigation is mandatory as per law. So that IO, that concerned SHO, Station House Officer of Telangana, Hyderabad, was also made accused. Other constables, those who had arrested him, taken him, who had beaten him, were suspended, were prosecuted, charge sheeted. But that IG had refused the sanction. Sanction is required under section 197 CRPC. If somebody commits an offence during the course of his employment while discharging his public duty without there being sanction, he cannot be prosecuted. No cognizance can be taken. So sanction is necessary. So he had applied, since he was a police inspector, PI, application was moved to that IG, Inspector General of Police, Hyderabad, but IG had refused that sanction. So somebody advised that CID officer, you go to Mr. Dawes, he will guide you. So those CID officers came, I saw their charge sheet, I saw there is some material, but their application was lagging. So when they were arrested, when that accused was arrested, the disease was arrested, he was not present. 32 will have no application, 34 will have no application. Then what? I think you need to show such material that this police party has come to this Ballar Shah, wherefrom he was picked up, wherefrom he was arrested. That PA was aware that he is being beaten. He had issued instruction, you go and arrest him and bring here. And he was thereby part of conspiracy. You make such necessary, bring such necessary material on record in the charge sheet, then and then only cognizance can be taken against that PI, otherwise not. So these were the last days of that CBI officer. So I told him in what manner what is to be done. So he had accordingly done. He added section 120. He was saying me, no sir, our government leader said no, not to invoke this section. If you believe him, you go by that. Otherwise, what I say, you follow it. Section was added. Intimation was given to the Sessions Court that because this and this thing was happened, and thereafter a letter was issued to the IG seeking sanction. Soon after 3 days, sanction was accorded. So that CID officer called me, sir, काम झालं, sanction मिळाली म्हणे, thank you. जे काम 6-7 महिन्यापासून होतं म्हटलं त्याला होऊ शकत नाही, तो आरोपी बनू शकत नाही जर तुम्ही हेवाळवा सेक्शन त्याच्यात. त्याला टाका आतमध्ये, असे कशी नाही सँक्शन देत म्हटलं आधी केलं, सँक्शन झाली. हे कधी कधी कामं करावं लागतं, लिगली करावं लागतं. केव्हा सँक्शन घेता येईल, समजलं? दॅट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे. Tomorrow also I will continue. So common intention, common object. I hope I don't undermine your knowledge and authority. I believe that you know everything, but still, since I am invited here to speak, I have to speak. Otherwise, there is no intention to undermine you. Huh?
We are here to learn from you.
Thank you.